Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to create the block and how to insert the block. So to create the block, first of all we will need one diagram. I have drawn this drawing. To create the block, go in block panel, select here create option, click on this create option. After clicking on that create option, one block definition window will be opened here. Give the name to the block ABC. This is the name what I have given to this my block. In objects column, select here select on this select objects icon. Now select the drawings whichever you want to convert it into a single block. I will select these two drawings and press enter. As soon as you press enter, again the block definition window will be opened. First here is option of retain. Select retain and in this base point column click on this specify on screen. Click on OK. Redefine. Now you have to give the base point. This point defines that whenever in future you are inserting this block, so at what point it will be inserted. Suppose if you want to insert the whole block at this point, so select the base point here. Now see, we have selected the retain option while creating the block. What retain does is it keeps the objects separate. So see, and if you want to insert the block, select here ABC. Now see, the block has been inserted. I will undo this whole process. We will see the second option. Again go in create, give the name to the block ABC and select convert to block. Click on this icon, select the objects, enter. Click on this specify on screen. OK. Redefine. Then give the base point. This is my base point. Now see, if you are selecting the circle, whole objects are being selected. This means that the complete diagram has been converted to a single group. So if you are inserting the block, now this is a base point. We have given this as a base point. So while inserting, the same object is being inserted at the center point of circle. So this is the second option. Now we will see the third option. Create. Third is delete. I will give name to the block ABC and just check mark this one. OK. Select objects. These are my objects. Press enter. OK. Redefine. Now give the base point. See, we have selected third option, that is delete. So as soon as you will select the base point, the objects will be automatically deleted and in the block panel block will be created named as ABC. So I will select the base point. Now see, the complete block has been deleted. But if you are inserting the block, it will be saved separately as ABC. Okay. So we have seen how to create the block and how to insert the block. In next video I will show how to edit the block and how to give the actions and parameters to different blocks. So thank you for watching the videos and please do subscribe.